Hello, good evening. For the following activity that students started doing in our class, they will need to follow proper directions, make sure that they complete the given instruction one by one. Materials that they will use are the following. They will use a little ruler to help them. They will definitely use a protractor. This is what is going to help them to complete the activity. It's very easy once they follow the instructions. Instruction says create the following triangle using the given angles and the measurements. Okay, using their protractors. So one of the first things that they need to do is to create their baseline of the triangle. And the baseline of the triangle is supposed to measure 4 centimeters. Then you have other sections, for example, angle ABC 90 degrees, angle CAB 45 degrees. And then there is another section that says missing angle. Since a triangle has 3 angles, 3 interior angles, we are provided with 2 of them, 90 degrees, 45 degrees. So that means we need to find the one that is missing. And lastly, after you have created your triangle, then you answer this one that says the type of triangle that you created. First thing first, let's do our baseline, 4 centimeters. The baseline that measures 4 centimeters has been created. This is what would be the baseline and would help us and guide us to create the given angles. For example, right now we'll move on into creating angle ABC, which is 90 degrees. How do we do that? Well, we need to label our baseline A, B. Now you would ask yourself, where is C? It's not a problem, do not panic. Very easy. Let's target first the creation of angle ABC, which is 90 degrees. And we're gonna use our protractors to help us with that, okay? So let's do the angle that says ABC at a 90 degrees. So you place your protractor, you place it here neatly, see there, and then you do your line that is at 90 degrees. You have created the angle ABC that is at 90 degrees. This is just part of the triangle. So we did already the baseline 4 centimeters. We have created an angle that is 90 degrees. Now we need to create an angle that says CAB. Okay? Supposed to be C around here, AB. Alright? So let's create that angle. And that angle is supposed to be 45 degrees. Right here, 45 degrees. Well, we'll use our protractor once again. The protractor is very useful to help us complete the following activity. So we'll put our protractor here. As I have shared with you, you have to be very careful that you place the protractor properly. There we go, we have placed the protractor properly. Okay. Now we have to create an angle that measures 45 degrees. All right, 45 degrees. You would say, but teacher, there is a 45 degrees around here. But if you open that line, that would not be 45, because then from here to this 45, from this point here to this 45 here, that will be an obtuse angle. You don't want an obtuse angle. You want to close the triangle. So from zero here, from the center, 0 is here. From the center, you will create the angle that measures 45 degrees. So you count, let me see, you will count 10, 20, 30, 40. Then there is the 45 in between 50 and 40. 45 would be, you have 40, 45 around here. Now that you have that point, 45 degrees, connecting it would be very easy. All right, you will make a connection from point A to where that point that you just drew the 45 degrees will meet the right angle that you just created. Then you draw your line. Okay, draw your line. Let me see, right here. You need to draw your line. All right, I drew the line. Here you go. We connected A to this point. Where they meet on this line, this will become point C. All right. Now labeling the angles would be very easy. By now you should know that this angle that you created, angle A, B, C, is a 90 degrees. You should know that by now. Then angle over here, angle CAB, which is this one, CAB, is an angle that you just created. And that angle had a total of 45 degrees. Right here, see it here? 45. Now there is an angle that you don't know how much that measures. Very easy. You already know by now that you can find the missing angle by adding the two available angles, 45 plus 90. All right, this is 5 plus 0, that is 5. 9 and 4, that would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have a total of 135. Then there's the magic number 180 degrees, because all triangles, the interior angles will add up to 180. So you subtract the angles that you have, the 135, subtract it, 0 take away 5, cannot, you must borrow. This stays with 7, you add in a group of 10 here, 10 take away from it 5, that equals to 5, 7 take away 3, that equals to 45, 45. 1 take away 1 equals to 0. So this angle is supposed to equal to 45 degrees. You can also cross-check if your answer is correct by using your protractor. So your protractor, you use it. Once again, you bring your protractor. See how you will place the protractor. You want to measure what angle is this. So let us say you're having trouble placing this protractor here. You say, hey, what this triangle is doing like that, how would I place that there? No problema. What you can do, look at this, easy trick. See, you rotate, you flip, and then you can easily measure that angle. It's easier like that. It's easier like that. Now, yes, you can place your protractor. You place your protractor right there. There. And look at magic. See? Look at magic. Right here. See? 45 degrees. This angle. From here to here, which is this one. ACB. Angle ACB. That will be very easy. A total of, let me tell you once again, 45. A total of 45 degrees. So, this type of problem will require you to use all what you have learned and apply it. So the missing angle, as you found out a while ago, is 45 degrees. The type of triangle, look at the type of triangle that you built, you constructed, huh? Look at this. There's a 90 degrees on any triangle that is 90 degrees. How do we call it? That is called a right angle, triangle. Thank you.